Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download the PlayStation app on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, search for PlayStation app BlueStacks in your browser. Click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the page for the PlayStation app on PC. You will see a blue button to download it. Click on that button to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, open it. BlueStacks is an emulator that allows you to run Android apps on your PC. Also, the installation may take some time since it is a large application, so be patient. After BlueStacks is installed, use the search bar within BlueStacks to search for PlayStation. Click on the PlayStation app and then select Install from Google Play. You may need to sign in to your Google account to proceed. After signing in, click on Install once more. Wait for the app to download and install completely. As you can see, it is currently not available in my region, but if it is available, you will be able to download it without any problem. So that's basically how you can download the PlayStation app on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.